Fetch Rewards payments depend on when your points become available, when you request a reward, and whether your account information is ready for redemption. By the end, you'll know how Fetch Rewards payment timing works, what can delay a reward, and what steps to check when your payout is not showing up. The basic process is simple. You earn points through eligible purchases and activities, your points appear in your Fetch account, and you redeem those points for available rewards. Section 1 is understanding when Fetch Rewards actually starts the payment process. Scanning a receipt does not always mean a payment is ready immediately. Fetch needs to process the receipt and confirm that the purchase qualifies before the points are added to your account. If your points are missing, open the Fetch app and review your activity. Your receipt history can help you confirm whether the scan was accepted or whether there is an issue with the submission. Check the details of the receipt you uploaded. Make sure the image is clear, the store information is visible, and the purchase meets the requirements for any special offers. Section 2 is what can slow down a Fetch Rewards payout. A delay can happen when points have not been credited yet, when a reward redemption has not finished processing, or when account information needs attention. Start by checking your points balance and reward history inside the Fetch app. This shows whether your points were added and whether a redemption request was created. If your reward request is not moving forward, review your account settings and make sure the information connected to your Fetch account is correct. Section 3 is how to avoid payment problems. Keep your receipts organized and submit them soon after your purchase. Clear receipt photos make it easier for the app to read the information. Before redeeming rewards, confirm that you have enough points available and that you selected the correct reward option. The fastest way to troubleshoot a delayed Fetch Rewards payment is to check 3 places: your receipt activity, your points balance, and your redemption history. The key points are simple. Fetch Rewards payments require successful receipt processing, available points, and a completed redemption request. Checking your account activity helps you find where the delay happened. Your next step is to open the Fetch app, review your latest receipt and reward activity, and confirm that your account details are correct. If this guide helped you understand Fetch Rewards payment timing, like the video and subscribe for more rewards app guides.